Welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can include green tea in your skincare routine. Before I continue the video, green tea is very good to the skin. It helps you if you want to slim down, and it also prevents type 2 diabetes. It helps the brain to function properly, and it helps your skin to come alive. It heals small wounds on your skin. So sit back and enjoy the video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to leave a thumbs up after you've watched this video. I'm going to be using my hand. Please make sure you wash your hand. You can also use brush. It helps your skin to retain its moisture. And green tea contains vitamin E. Vitamin E is very good and essential to the human skin. Make sure it reaches all the corners and all the areas of your face. You leave it to dry up for about 30 minutes, 20 or 30 minutes. You wash it off and you apply your moisturizer. You can use it 3 times in a week. After a week, you start to see a great difference on your skin. Your skin starts to come alive. It starts to look moisturized. And don't forget to always drink a lot of water daily. And I also want to say that all the mixture I share on my channel, you have to use them for a while before you start seeing changes. I remember some time ago I had a kitchen accident. I was frying pepper and I don't know how it happened. The pepper splashed on my face and I had a very big wound on my face. I was able to clear off all the dark and the big spots on my face by using all the natural remedy on that I've taught you on this channel. Most especially what I did most during that period, I always apply it on my face twice a day, was I will use baking soda. I will pour a little baking soda on my palm and put lemon, squeeze in lemon on it and just put it on the affected areas. After about 6 months, the scar was almost gone and within a year it cleared off. I'm going to include a picture somewhere on this screen to show you how bad it is, and I was able to clear it. I didn't use any artificial creams or ointments. I only applied natural remedies of clearing off spots, but it didn't clear off overnight. I applied it regularly, consistently for about 6 months before I was able to clear it off. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next video.